Hi, I'm Sharon.
And I'm Sharika. So today we just wanted to do something a little fun. We've been in quarantine for I don't even know.
Weeks.
So we want to do something a little fun and also include you guys in it. We're going to do a quick little rapid fire hosted by our very own Lou, the installer, who's off camera.
Hello.
First, we do want to say a big thank you to everyone that's on the front line, all of the nurses, all of the doctors, all the people at the supermarket, all of the sanitation workers, all the people that don't get credit, that are out there putting their life on the line so that we can still go about our day, getting the things that we need, and are still taking care of all the people that are sick.
Thank you.
Yes. So, now we're going to get into something a little fun. So we're going to do a quick little rapid fire, and hopefully you guys might find interest in these questions as well and play this game at home with your families.
And you can come up with your own questions.
Yeah.
Or use some of ours.
All right, go ahead. We're ready.
Let's go, Lou.
All right. So, people want to know who is more competitive.
She is.
You're definitely more competitive.
No, you are.
I don't cry if I lose a game. She's more competitive.
Really? Really? Okay, I'll take that one. Okay, I'm more competitive.
Okay. So, what's your favorite food?
I'm not a foodie, so for me that's, I don't know, I guess I like chicken.
Oh my god, so basic. My favorite food is my mom's curry crab. That's my favorite food.
She's looking at me like she wants me to make some for her.
Yeah, maybe we should make some this week, but that's my favorite food and it's the best. Curry crab. If you didn't know that, we are Trinidadians, so curry is a big thing in our culture. She never used to eat crab before, and then she tasted someone's crab, and then she was like, I can make this better. So she made it.
And they're not listening.
They don't know whose crab you had first.
They do.
Next question.
Okay. On the same line of food, do you love pineapple on your pizza?
Definitely. Love it.
Yes, that's a must on my pizza.
Sweet and savory.
Okay. So, since you're in quarantine, if you were in quarantine for a year, would you rather eat Chick-fil-A for 1 year or McDonald's for 1 year?
I love McDonald's. I love McDonald's. Their fries, I can eat it every day. And I think they get a great variety. I love McDonald's fries. Just for the fries, I say McDonald's.
Chick-fil-A.
Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater.
Thought you were a chicken girl.
I like chicken, but I love McDonald's fries.
I can't survive on the fries. Chick-fil-A has salads. They have wraps.
McDonald's too.
Okay, we're gonna go to the next question.
Okay. So, what's your favorite flower?
Orchid.
I thought you like calla lilies.
I do like callas, but orchid became my favorite.
When you think you know your mom, you don't know your mom. My favorite flower, I don't know. Orchid.
Copying you.
Okay. So, what's on your quarantine watch list?
Okay, tell them what you're watching.
I watch so many shows, but my last daughter, Jayla, got me onto All American, and I actually love it. So I'm watching All American.
Yeah, you also watched Masked Singer.
Oh my God. That is the favorite show, but I am like right up at where they are right now. And I'm like a binge, I say it?
She's a binge hoe. That's what I call her. She's a binge hoe. Because all she does is binge watch. Like if you give her a show, I can't even give her my shows until I'm like already done the series. Cause she'll stay up till 3, 4 in the morning until she's like done the whole series, so.
Sorry.
On my watch list right now, I love cooking shows, so Beat Bobby Flay. I like 911. I like, what else am I watching right now? Graceland. I am watching Graceland. Thank you, Malik, for that show.
No.
She tried to watch it, she didn't like it.
No.
I like Good Girls.
Oh no, I
She
hate
didn't-
it. Don't like it.
You guys could tell, if you guys watch Graceland or Good Girls, just go ahead and leave your comments below and let us know.
All American, Masked Singer, awesome shows.
Next question.
What's your go-to late night snack?
I like a little sweets at night, so I don't know, but I don't have any real snacks.
You got me on Flamin' Hot Doritos.
Oh,
I like
those are good.
Flamin' Hot Doritos.
Yeah, but I don't have like a
ice cream.
snack.
I'm used to eating ice cream or Flamin'
Yeah.
Hot Doritos.
I don't have a snack that I go to. Because when they ask me what snack do you want me to pick up for you, I'm like, I don't have a snack.
Okay, next.
Okay. So, if you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Mine would be teleportation.
I would like to read everyone's mind, know what they're thinking.
I'm good on that one.
So, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm an introvert.
I could be, but I'm not.
She's definitely an extrovert. I'm gonna take a drink. 'Cause,
I would like to be an introvert, but I'm an extrovert. Yeah, sorry.
big time. Next.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Morning person. You don't answer for me, Lou. You're on the side reading the question. Morning person.
I'm definitely a night person.
I know.
She can wake up. She could do like a 6 to 6 and I could do like a 10 to 10.
True.
Yeah, you're more of a 6 to 6. I
Yes.
could do 10 to 10. Like 10 in the morning, 10 at night, I can work. I could do night,
So she says until she gets hungry.
the night shift. I work the night shift.
Okay, so which one of you are more organized?
I think we're both organized.
Yeah.
But who do you think if you or I?
I'm organized because you're organized.
There you go. So I'm more organized.
Hey.
Okay, so who's the boss?
I am. She would like to think she is. She bosses me around.
Boss according to who writes the checks, or in that case, she's the boss. Boss as in what's going on? I'm the boss.
Okay. What is your favorite cocktail?
Margarita.
Fruity, something fruity and sweet.
She'll never know. It's always something fruity, something fruity.
I like fruity
That's all
drinks.
she likes, anything fruity.
Oh, well.
I like margaritas.
I don't like margaritas, but she has me drinking a margarita.
Next question.
The chemistry between the two of you is so natural, I guess, because you're mother and daughter, but you have 4 daughters total. Who's your favorite daughter?
Choose your words wisely.
I don't think that's a good question because they're all gonna be watching the video. But in all honesty, I don't have a favorite daughter. I have a favorite daughter for different things.
Okay, so why am I your favorite daughter?
You're my favorite daughter because you're my favorite daughter because you're very organized. You're driven. You're neat. I can count on you at all times.
We're gonna go to the next question.
Can you do Spock hands?
Oh my gosh.
According to which hand? My right hand. Too much drink. My left hand. What?
Oh yeah.
Oh, listen.
We could reverse it. Oh, reverse it.
I guess she can do a Spock hand.
Reverse it.
So is that your weird talent, or what is your weird talent?
What's your weird talent?
My weird talent is I can hum any song, even if I don't know, if I've never heard it before. I can hum it.
According to her. I drive all the time and I play music and you're always humming, but it's never the song.
I can hum. If my husband, Lou,
I have heard you hum songs that you don't know. I'll ask you, how do you know that song? And you say, I don't know, I never heard it before.
My weird talent, I can do this thing with my tongue. Like, looks like a puzzle piece, kind of. It's not gross.
It's gross. Yeah.
Well, yeah, me and my sisters can do it. So
I didn't give him that. I don't know where they got it from.
Next question.
Okay. Would you rather be rich or famous?
I'm rich.
I like to be rich, but I like to be famous for doing something good. For all the good I do. How about that?
Okay, so what's the first thing you would buy if you won the lottery?
I'll pay my student loans all the way off. Sally Mae is so annoying.
Well, if I wanted, I would pay her school. I'll pay that loan off because half of it is on my name, so they're so annoying.
Next question.
If money was no object, what would you be doing?
Interior design.
Interior design for free.
Yeah, I love interior design.
Yeah, for free.
Design question. Would you rather a big master bathroom or a big closet?
Big closet for me.
Yeah, I would pick a bigger closet.
And it's not that I have like a bunch of clothes. I just want to be able to see them.
Yeah, it's nice when they're all organized because then you don't have to go shopping because you realize all the stuff that you have.
Okay, so would you rather heels, wedges, or flats?
Definitely not flats. I do not like flats.
She's a shrimpo next to me.
I like wedges if I'm working at the office all day. I'm in heels all day if I'm working at the office.
Yeah, I mean, for those that don't know, I am 6'1", so even at 6'1", I still like to wear a little heel. Not nothing crazy. I mean, when I go in my heyday, when I used to go partying at the club.
What?
I used to wear like really, tall heels, but like on an everyday, I definitely wear something with a little heel on it.
Yeah, I like heels. 4 inches to 6 inches.
So what's your favorite season?
Maybe spring. Spring and fall. Especially here in Georgia. Spring and fall is good for me. It's not too cold, not too hot.
I like summer. I like hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Spicy.
So what's your dream vacation spot?
Fiji!
Yeah, I want to go to Thailand. Thailand's on my list. And I wanted to go to Thailand before it became a basic destination because now everyone goes to Thailand. But Thailand's been on my list for a while.
Yeah, I want to go to Fiji.
So who's more adventurous?
I think we're both very adventurous.
I think we're both very adventurous. If we're talking about food, definitely her.
Food, definitely me. I'll eat a lot of things. Grilled octopus, oysters, mussels, any type of seafood really. I don't do gamey meats like duck or lamb, but I pretty much try almost
Well, we're both adventurous. Yeah.
As far as activities, on vacation we always like to do like zip lining or anything adventurous, a hike, really something, anything adventurous.
So, what's your favorite game to play?
I like card games.
I love Connect 4. That's my thing.
Because she is really good at it. She beats everyone at it. She even makes me cry.
Connect 4 is my game.
Oh my gosh, she's amazing at it.
That's my game.
Oh.
Alright, so that was all the questions we had.
Thank you, Lou. We appreciate you.
We appreciate you joining us in this rapid fire today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, you're welcome.
And that's it. You guys be safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon.